Hi, welcome to my back porch. So today I used a glass ashtray, flipped over, and poured over it, letting the paint cascade, a lot like a bottle bottom pour. And I'm laying some base coat, kind of covering the corners a little bit with this pretty cool gray house paint that I found, house paint sample I think at Home Depot. And just giving it a little bit. I'm trying to keep from losing so much of the first part of the pour. Unfortunately, you'll see I wasn't very successful at saving the colors that were poured on first, but it was worth the go. So here I go, pouring into the center and letting it cascade off. And I'm going to start with that same house paint to kind of give it a little bit of again, something to flow over. And let's see, so the colors here, I made a robin's egg blue, white, let's see, I used a yellow ochre with gold in it, and there's a raw umber and, raw umber, I think, and then a black and the red, which is the crimson red. I'm going to go with black again. See what comes up next. The robin's egg blue. I'm proud of that color. I had fun. I Googled, how to make it and played around with it for a while and was very happy with how it turned out, color-wise. So, here we go. Okay, so now I'm going to pull it up and then start tilting to stretch out. It looks like also my canvas was quite not level, so it kind of didn't pour out as evenly as I would have liked it to. I've got to work on that leveling thing at some point. So here I go, stretching it out, and of course this is sped up 3 times, so 3 times regular speed, so I wasn't really tipping it that fast, but all of the first round of color, most of the robin's egg blue, it just all spilled right off the edges. I think I maybe could have used corner catchers to hold that on, but overall, I love what was left on there. I wanted to get that robin's egg blue back into the picture, so I decided to do some, I don't know, I could describe it as squiggly ribbons. They kind of almost look like tendrils. And I think the main colors in there are the robin's egg blue and some of the house paint green. Is there green in there? I think there probably is. And then some of the brown is in there as well. And so I thought that turned out really cool. It kind of looks like a fern to me, like a blue fern, especially that one that's shown at the upper left-hand corner of the position it's in right now. I love the way it curls over like a fern would unfurl when it's, first opening up. So I ended up being very happy with this overall. Fixing the edges. I think I could have cut some of this out. And now using the torch, because Gotta make sure all the air bubbles are out. And it's kind of cool too because it did bring some lacing around the outside edge. I'm still having problems with my torch. It just is fussy and likes to, I don't know what I was doing there. Oh, I'm waving. I thought maybe that there was like residual butane hanging around that was causing the explosive light show, but I don't know. Okay, here's my attempt at showing you the close-up. You can see I got some lacing, some really pretty cells and flow going on with it. I think the house paint, the latex paint is just, and I think this one was a flat paint, and that flat house paint really works differently with the acrylics than they do with each other, so that's pretty cool. If you like this, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I hope to see you again. Thank you.